So imagine a scenario where you have a Word document, for example, or a PDF that you need to email to somebody, but you are not sure or where it is, or you just can't find it. I'm just going to show you a way to simply get around that problem. First of all, we'll start by going to Google and doing a search for it's called Everything Search. So I'm just going to search for that. So I've searched for Everything Search. The first link is this Void Tools thing, and that's correct. So click there. Go down to Download Installer and click that. Bottom left-hand corner of the screen is this everything.exe. We'll double-click that, and that will start the installation. So we'll just agree to all the kind of prompts here. So I agree, next, install, yes. And then we'll leave a tick in run everything, and then click finish, and it'll run for the first time. So this program basically will just search the whole computer for whatever you type at the top. You can filter off the search types for various document types. So if I click search, you can, at the moment it's searching everything, which is what this little dot means. But you could filter for audio, compressed document, and so on. I'm going to leave it on everything. So let's say, for example, the document that you want to send to someone is a PDF. If I do star.pdf, the star is actually what's called a wildcard. So anything that ends in .pdf is what it means. And so if I type star.pdf, it searches and finds all the PDFs on this computer. So yeah, that's PDFs. We could do, if I do star.odt, that's LibreOffice documents. And if I did star.doc, that would be Word documents, generally speaking. So I'm going to go back to star.pdf. By the way, star is shift and the number 8 on your keyboard. So we got all the PDFs here, and we're going to say for the argument's sake that I want to send this one over Gmail. So next, I'm going to go back to Chrome, hit home, go to Gmail, compose a new message. And this message, I'm going to send it to myself just to see if it works. If I can remember this email address. Let's just copy it. Oop. So we're going to do test PDF send. And so I've kind of drafted up my email. Next, I just need to put the document in there. So we got the two screens up here. You can make each window either full screen or windowed by double clicking the bar along the top. So if I double click up here, it'll go full screen. And if I do that again, it'll go back to a window. And then when it's windowed, I can move that around. And so I can have these two separate windows. So I've drafted my email. And now I want to put in the PDF. So I just click on one, drag and drop it. And you can see it's loading it in. And that's ready. And I can just click send. And if I look here on the left in sent items, I can see that it's there. And if I go back to my inbox, let's full screen this. There it is with the PDF. So yeah, that's the way to do it, or a way to do it. I recommend this everything search because it just obviously makes everything super easy to find. If you want quick access to it, you could right click on the icon here in the taskbar and click pin to taskbar, and then it'll just sit there with these other icons and you can use it as you please. Then it's a handy thing. Okay, hope that helps.